Now it's done blending.
Using this portable blender for smoothies and protein shakes and other recipes, so I had to get one to try it out myself. I made one of my favorite smoothies and I honestly was pretty surprised at how well it worked. It blended the fruits and ice like my big industrial blender in just a few seconds. You can do a lot of things with it, like taking it to go with you to work or make protein shakes for the gym. But my favorite part about it is its self-cleaning feature. Add a little soap and water, blend it up, rinse it out, and that's it. No more mess with cleaning big blenders. The charging feature was also pretty cool and easy to use. Honestly, I give this a 10 out of 10 and I definitely recommend everyone to try it out for themselves.